The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 515-207-2006. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. We're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video I will answer the question, who can sign the birth certificate in Iowa? Specifically, we address who is listed on a birth certificate in Iowa, how to establish paternity in Iowa if the mother was unmarried. Also, we'll talk about surrogacy in Iowa and the birth certificate. So whenever someone is born in Iowa, Iowa code requires that a birth certificate be filed with the state registrar within 7 days. The birth certificate should include, among other important facts about the birth and the child, information about the child's parents. Today, a child's legal parents may not necessarily be the birth mother or biological father. This can sometimes complicate who should be listed on the birth certificate. If the woman who births a child is married at the time of conception, birth, or any time in between, her husband is presumed to be the child's father and is treated as the father for legal purposes. This means that the woman's husband has all the same rights and responsibilities that she has concerning the child. However, what does the law say when the mother is not married? If the woman who births a child is not married at the time of conception, birth, or at any point in between, no father is listed on the birth certificate unless paternity has been established by a court of competent jurisdiction. If the name of the father is not listed on the birth certificate, no other information about him shall be entered. Paternity may be established in several ways. If the biological mother and father are in agreement about naming the father on the birth certificate, the parties can sign and file what is called a paternity affidavit with the courts. If the child has not yet been born, this can still be accomplished by instead filing a declaration of paternity. If, however, a man is seeking to establish paternity without the consent of the birth mother, he can petition the court to establish paternity. This may require testing to prove a genetic relationship. Once this is established, the man then has all the rights and responsibilities of a parent, including parenting time and financial responsibility. In Iowa, the woman bearing the child is the presumed legal mother. However, what if the woman bearing the child is not the intended mother? This is the case in instances involving surrogacy. In a traditional surrogacy, the woman bearing the child acts as an egg donor and thus has a genetic relationship with the child. If this is not the intended mother, a two-step process will be required to get the birth mother's name removed and the intended mother's name on the birth certificate. If it is a gestational surrogacy, the woman bearing the child has no genetic relationship to the child. Iowa allows parents to obtain pre-birth parentage orders which instruct institutions on which parents to name on the birth certificate. However, they only allow this for the intended father, and a post-birth process is required to get the mother's name on the certificate. If you intend to use a surrogate in Iowa, you may want to contact an experienced attorney to understand your options. Thanks for watching. To learn more about who may sign the birth certificate in Iowa, check out our article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 515-207-2006. We have many locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. Thank you again for watching.